Hey guys, it is the 9th day, no, that's the anniversary date, 6th day of April 2024, and I'm here at the Church of the Assumption of the Catholic Cemetery, established February 5th, 1876, blessed and dedicated way back when, 1891 and 1897, so yeah, we are, you guys. So we're going to walk around. If you saw back in my archives in April, I think it was 4th, this church was the reason why they put that pedestrian bridge, started by pedestrian obsession. It's a beautiful day, Saturday, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so it's kind of good to get this out of the way. So anyways, we're on the Action 4, got the microphone on right here. So anyways, you guys, let's go look at some old stuff here. I didn't realize they're here one day, I drove by. The old school way they have churches, so 1901, 1935, didn't live very long. Looks like it's a pretty recent burial. 1842 to 1924. There's a Jewish one around here somewhere too. It's over in, I want to take care of that one over there somewhere in Richfield. 1880 to 1907. My goodness. I love old cemeteries. I think it's cool to walk through them and see people that, belong to this church. It's a nice little church right over here off of Nicollet, right behind Maynard's. Born October 2nd, 1911. I love old cemeteries. They're pretty young, 1989, 2017. Edward Batriche, he did 1988. Lisa Marie. Oh my goodness. Walton over there, 1951. As you can kind of see, there's this whole bunch of them. $1,900. That was 1871. Oh my goodness. Look at that sucker. August. Both died pretty close to each other. Oh my goodness. 1818 to 1896. We've been around a while. Goodness. Born 1871, 1890, January 13th. I just think it's very interesting to see. This one's an old one. Age 79 years old. 85. 1851 to 1884. Oh my goodness. Goodness. $88 old. 1899. Goodness. And died 77 years old. These are kind of cracked over here, but hopefully they can. That sucker. Sorry about the wind, but you're outside. Goodness. Old ones, man. Goodness. 1848, 1901. '7, 1910, 9/11. Wow. August 6th, 1907. So they both died within each other. That's too bad. It looked like a baby. Or what is it? Yeah, it was a baby. That's too bad. $1908. Ron J. baby. 1904. Baby Bowser. That's too bad. 1905. And his son. Little baby. Toddler. Oh, it's an old one. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Some old ones here, man. Can't read that one, unfortunately. So let's go over here. Make our way over here, but I always think it's interesting to see all these different old cemeteries that are pretty cool, that been around. Next video is going to work my way this way, but it's kind of a cool place right here. Memory of Kurt Simon. Oh my goodness, look at this sucker. I like that you can come here and sit down and talk to Kurt. My goodness. So, of course, someone got to put the beer in there, you know, in a trash can. (2020, 2006). December 27th. Wonder if it's full. It's not, like I said, you can tell it's not a very big cemetery. A lot of the old Catholic churches are like that. They have them behind here. So you live in the apartment complex, you're overlooking a cemetery. Ralph, Phyllis went 1992. He went 2021. United. It's kind of cool. I like that. That's kind of cool. I like that. Very cool. This kind of looks like a fresh one right over here. Charles and Georgia, they both died in 1957. 2007. Maybe it's a little garden or something. Married December 18th, 1943. A lot of old, look at that. I mean, that's just 1963, 1984. So, anyways, so what we're going to do, I'm going to work my way. I'm going to start over there, work my way this way in the next ones, okay? I hope you like the Assumption. I think it's a very interesting thing here, so we'll walk that way in the next one videos, okay? A little windy out here, but it is what it is. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.